Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to guide you through the cool text behind person effect in CapCut using your desktop. So let's dive right in. Firstly, open up your CapCut. Then import and place your video clip. Here I have already placed the video clip that we are going to use as an example for today's tutorial. After you have placed your video clip, you can add the desired text. Just go to the text section located at the upper left side of your screen. Add the default text there and edit it according to your preferences. Next, duplicate the video clip and place it above the text. All you need to do is remove the background from the video clip. To do this, proceed to the video section located at the upper right side of your screen. Then click Cutout. Finally, select Auto Cutout. Please wait until the auto cutout process is completed. After that, you can finalize your text by repositioning it. Additionally, you can add an intro transition to your text. To do that, click the text. Proceed to the animation section, located on the upper right side of the screen. Click in and choose the effect that you want for your text. For example, I'm going to use Fade In. You can also change the duration by simply adjusting the slider at the bottom. And here's the final result. And there you have it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.